Welcome to Orderline's Canadian Electrical Code Quick Tips. My name is Marvin Rosenberg. I'm an RSE, Red Seal endorsed 309A electrician and a master electrician as well. I will be hosting today's topic on plug fuses. Plug fuses are categorized as types of fuses, and not to be confused with classes of fuses, which are entirely different. There are only two types of plug fuses, type P and type D, and they both have medium screw shell base. Type P are used typically for non-inductive loads such as lighting and heating. Type D are used for inductive loads such as motors, kitchen appliances, and cycling loads. There are three sizes available that are color-coded: blue for 15 amp, red or orange for 20 amp, and green for 30 amp. Each size has a different fuse rejector ring available for installation that prevents the incorrect size of fuse installed in the fuse holder of the panel.